Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete HFM account. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to remove an account from your HFM dashboard by using the archive option available in the platform. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each screen carefully so you can complete the action without confusion. To begin, go to the My HF page on the HFM website. Once the page loads, make sure you are in the main account area where your trading accounts are listed. This is the section where you can manage the accounts connected to your profile. If you have more than one account visible, take a moment to identify the one you want to remove before continuing. Next, find the sample account you want to delete and click the settings icon for that account. This icon is typically used to open account-specific options, so once you select it, a small menu or panel should appear with actions related to that account. Be careful to choose the correct account, especially if multiple accounts are listed in your dashboard, since the next steps will apply only to the one you select here. After opening the settings menu, click on Archive Account. On HFM, archiving the account is the option used to remove it from active use. Depending on your account type or current status, this may be the closest available option to deletion within the platform. If you do not immediately see the option, look through the menu carefully and make sure you are still on the correct account. Once you click Archive Account, a confirmation prompt will usually appear. Click Confirm, then follow the on-screen procedure to finish the process. This part may include an extra confirmation window or a short set of instructions from HFM, so read each message before proceeding. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes. After you complete the confirmation, the account should be archived and no longer shown as an active account in the same way as before. If the page does not update right away, try refreshing the dashboard and checking the account list again. That's all there is to it. By going to the HFM account dashboard, opening the settings for the sample account, selecting Archive Account, and confirming the action, you can complete the account removal process quickly and clearly.